Road bike group sets are the nerve center of shifting, braking, and gearing performance. For riders upgrading an older frame, building a new build, or seeking a specific gearing philosophy, wide range, compact, or clutch-based durability, choosing the right group set affects shifting precision, maintenance intervals, weight, and overall riding feel. This review analyzes 5 road group set offerings spanning a budget option.
List number 1. L22 Road Bike Group Set 1x9 Speed includes bike shifter set. This budget-friendly 1x9 setup from L22 provides a complete shifter and rear derailleur package designed to fit Shimano-compatible road frames. The package includes a 9-speed left shifter, a 9-speed right shifter, and a 9-speed rear derailleur with a long cage, braze-on mount, and compatibility with 11 to 46T cassettes. The shifter levers use aluminum alloy construction for lightweight durability and feature anti-slip surfaces intended for longer rides. The system is positioned as a straightforward replacement option for older 9-speed setups or frames lacking integrated group sets. In practice, the 1x9 configuration simplifies indexing and reduces derailleur complexity, but it requires careful frame and chainring pairing since a 1X setup eliminates front derailleur compatibility. The long cage RD supports up to 46T, which is reasonable for urban and light gravel use. Weight is modest, 0.89 kilograms for the package, and the 2100mm right shifter cable length helps accommodate a variety of handlebar widths. However, ecosystem compatibility is limited to Shimano-style pole, and there's no indication of a dedicated crankset or chainring, which means this option shines as a starter or budget replacement rather than a performance upgrade.
List number 2. Microshift Sword Black 2x9 Speed Group Set includes brake and shifters. The Sword Black 2x9 Speed Group Set for Microshift is a full 2x9 setup designed to offer a balanced gear range with an 11 to 38T cassette. It ships with shifters, a braze-on front derailleur, a long cage rear derailleur, and an 11 to 38T cassette, while the crankset is sold separately. This package emphasizes ergonomic shifter design with raised hood traction and adjustable lever reach, and is compatible with internal cable routing for road disc and rim brake configurations. Performance-wise, the 2x9 setup provides a wider gearing window than a typical 2x8 legacy system, enabling better cadence control on varied terrain. The long cage derailleur supports chainline and chain wrap appropriate for 9-speed chains, with a front derailleur designed for 9-speed chain width. While the crankset is not included, the included cassette and derailleurs are tuned for smooth index shifting, and the overall weight, 5.1 pounds, indicates a solid, durable build. The main caveat is that the crankset remains a separate purchase, which increases total project cost and adds compatibility checks for chainring spacing.
List number 3. Microshift Sword 2x10 Speed Group Set, including brake and shifters. The Sword 2x10 Speed Group Set represents Microshift's premium 2x10 option, including shifters, a braze-on front derailleur, a long cage rear derailleur, and an 11 to 38T cassette. The package weighs about 2.363 kilograms, underscoring a substantial build intended for riders seeking a broader range and smoother steps between gears. Like the 2x9 option, the crankset is not included, but the 10-speed cassette and clutch-like behavior in some rear derailleurs aim to provide more secure chain retention on rough roads or gravel, a notable advantage for endurance or mixed-terrain riders. The front derailleur is designed for 10-speed chain width, and the cassette uses standard 11 to 38T ranges that align well with common 10-speed cranksets. The lack of a crankset means buyers must ensure existing crank compatibility or budget for a compatible Microshift crank option.
Number 4. Microshift Sword Black 1X 9-Speed Group Set includes brake and shifters. This 1X9 Sword Black option emphasizes simplicity and a wide gearing range with an 11 to 46T cassette. The package includes shifters and a medium cage rear derailleur designed for road disc and rim brake applications. The absence of a crankset still leaves flexibility for owners to pair this with an existing crank or Microshift crank option, making it a practical option for riders prioritizing a simpler drivetrain without front derailleur complexity. Performance-wise, 1X9 with an 11-46T cassette provides a wide spread for climbing and enduro-style riding, albeit at the cost of a potentially less precise gear progression on flatter sections due to the uneven gear spacing inherent to many 1X configurations. The medium cage RD offers robust chain wrap and lower risk of chain drop on rough roads. This setup is particularly appealing for gravel adventure riders who prefer a clean cockpit and straightforward maintenance, though it may require careful chain compatibility checks with existing cranks.
List number 5. Microshift Sword 1x10 speed group set includes brake and shifters. The Sword 1x10 speed group set delivers a 1x10 setup with a clutch rear derailleur and a wide 11-48T cassette, aimed at gravel and mixed terrain riders who value chain security and a broad spread. It ships with shifters and a medium cage rear derailleur, while the crankset remains optional. The inclusion of a clutch mechanism indicates a focus on chain retention on rough surfaces, reducing drop risk during high torque climbs or rotor hits. In practice, the 1x10 with 11-48T gear range is compelling for riders who prioritize a clean cockpit and straightforward shifting with a wide utility range. The 48T large cog helps on steep climbs, but the coarse spacing between some gears may affect cadence consistency on flatter segments. The 4-year warranty aligns with Microshift's confidence in durability. As the crankset is not included, buyers should select a compatible 10-speed crankset and verify chain compatibility with the 10-speed chain width.